Morning everyone, it's your maths class 7. Question number 1 we done in the previous video. Now I explain question number 2. Write the set below. First write in descriptive form, second write in tabular form, and third one write in cardinal number. I think girls you all are understand descriptive form, tabular form and cardinal number. In the previous video, in question number 1, we done all these things. Now the first one is, your question is given in set A, given in tabular form. Sorry, your question is given in set builder form. Write in descriptive form and tabular form and cardinal number. So first part, x such that x is a square number, x less than 101. Okay, this symbol show x less than. So D means descriptive form. In descriptive form means describe it, explain it, a set of square number less than 101. Square number means same number multiplied by same time. Okay, it's called square number. So we write in descriptive form. Now tabular form. So we write square number. 1 1 is a 1. 2 2 is a 4. 4 is a square number. It means 2 multiplied by 2. Same number multiplied by same time. The number is 2. Same time 2. 2 2 is a 4. 4 is a square number. The next number 3. 3 3 is a 9. 9 is a square number. After 3 4. 4 4 is a 16. 16 is a square number. Then 5 5 is a 25. 6 6 is a 36. 7 7 is a 49. 8 8 is a 64. 9 9 is a 81. 10 10 is a 100. Okay, it's called square number. Same number multiplied by same time, it's square number. The question is less than 101. So the last number, the last square number is 100. Done. Tabular form. Now in cardinal number denoted by n, then in the round bracket we write down the name of the set. Now count the total elements in the tabular form. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So in cardinal number we write over here 10. Why we write over here 10? We have total 10 elements in tabular form. First one done. Now part B. Same set builder form is given. X such that x is an angle of pentagon. Pentagon means 5 angles, 5 vertices. Okay, 5 sides. A, B, C, D, E. Okay, it's a pentagon. For pentagon we use greater than 90-degree angle. Okay, in descriptive form, a set of an angle of the pentagon A, B, C, D, E. For example, A, B, C, D and E. 5 angles in pentagon. So we use greater than 90-degree angle. After 90, 91, 92, 93, 94 dot dot or so on. Okay, till 189. Before 190 we use 91 till 189 angle. Okay, it's called tabular form. Now cardinal number, between them we count the total elements, total member of tabular form. It's 89. Okay, 91 is the first member, 92 is the second member, 93 is the third member or element, 94 is the fourth member. Same, counted till 189. So total elements 89. So in cardinal number n, set name B is equal to 89. Done part 1 and 2. Now part D. C1. A, B we done. Now we start C1. X such that X is a month of the year. it's called, over here we have month. It means only 1 month, not months. Month is a month of year. In descriptive form, a set of month of the year. It's called descriptive form. Same set builder form, write in spelling or in descriptive form or described it. Set tabular form, write any name of the month, any one month name in tabular form. It's up to you. Write February, April, July, write any name, one name of the month in tabular form. Cardinal number denoted by N, or write down set name C, or in the tabular form we have one element, so we write over here in cardinal number 1. Then part C. Now part D, x such that x is the digits in square root of 144. Remember, square means same number multiplied by same time, square root number. So we take out the square root 144 or 4489 in rough column. So we know if 144, 12 12s are 144, it's very easy. Now we take out the square root of 4489 in rough form. Now the descriptive form, a set of the digits is square root of 144 and 4489. Descriptive form done. Now I take out the square root of 4498. First we make a pair, right to left side. So if we take 5 5s are 25, 6 6 are 36, 7 7s are 49. 49 is a bigger number, so we will take 6 6 are 36. 36. Now divisor, 44 minus 36 equal to 8 is left. Copy down 89. Add them, 6 plus 6 12. 12. New divisor, multiply with 7. 12 multiply with 7 is equal to 7. 7 7s are 49. 9 4. 7 2s are 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 8, 1, 7 1s are 7 or plus 1, 8. Okay, it's completely divide. It's a complete perfect square. So 4489, answer 67. Square number is 67. So 12 for 144 square number 12 or 4487 square number is 67. It's a complete perfect square. No remainder is left. Remainder is 0. It means it's a complete perfect square. So in tabular form we write 12 and 67. Both are square number or square root of 144 or 4489, 4489. In cardinal number N or in set D is equal to 2 elements or 2 member given in the tabular form. That's why we write 2 in the cardinal number. Okay, part D also done. The last part, E1, x such that x is the letters used as Roman numerals. Descriptive form, a set of the letter used as Roman numbers or Roman numerals. Okay, normally we use in Roman number I for 1, V for 5, X for 10, L for 50. Okay, then 500 or 1000. We use D, M, L, X, V, I and English letter or alphabets in Roman numbers. In cardinal number N, set name E, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters are given, so we write 6 in cardinal number. Done descriptive form, tabular form and cardinal number. Okay, question number 2, done all parts.